How to turn on or turn off the floating icon assistant menu found on your Samsung Galaxy A54 smartphone with Android 13 One UI 5.0 or any other Samsung phone with Android 13 One UI 5.0. All right, let's get started. If you want to enable this feature or you accidentally turn it on and now you want to turn it off, here's what you can do to do this. So first use the quick panel axis and you'll pull it down until you see the settings icon right up here at the top right section. So go ahead and tap on that when you see it. And from here on, when you are in this section here, you'll want to go down until you see the accessibility. All right, so go down until you see this right here. Tap on it once. And when you're in this area here now with the accessibility section, you're looking for interaction and dexterity, this right here. So tap on that once and you'll see the second option, which is the assistant menu. Now you can go ahead and turn it on from here and then you'll press allow and then you'll notice that little floating icon is going to be there, okay? However, if you tap here where the words are right here, this will take you into some other options for the assistant menu. Okay, so if you tap here, select assistant menu items, this is going to give you the option to add more or remove from what's going to be found in this here. Okay, so you'll see the ones with the red minus, that's the ones that's already in the assistant menu. And if you want to remove them, you will press the minus and that's going to take it away from that. Now, if you want to add something as one of these down here, you'll go ahead and tap on it. So maybe I want the brightness bar to be also in there, okay? And of course, you can do this with these others here. And you can also rearrange them the order that they appear in. So maybe you want one of these to appear more in the top or in the first page. You can long press it and then just place it somewhere else that you want it to be. Now, when you're done, be sure to press back, not reset, as reset will just restore everything back to the default settings. And as we come out of here, here is this next one here as the assistant menu shortcut. Now, if you want to quickly access this here at any given time, turn on the shortcut and then you can tap here and get access to it by this little icon down here. Or if you tap on the settings right here, you can choose where this is going to be accessed, either this here or another floating app icon, this one right here, okay? And that's up to you, okay? Now you can also use your volume keys or volume up key and the power button to access this. If you're using the navigation gestures, you'll want to go ahead and turn on one of these as well, all right? And if you don't like the shortcut, you can always disable it from here if you need to. The size would be this here. So you got small, and notice how that's going to be kind of small. And then if you want it large, that's going to be the size, all right? And then in transparency is how visible it's going to be, all right? So the less, it's more visible, all right? And then show as an edge icon. If you don't want this constantly just shown right here, when you turn this on, it's going to fade into the edge so that it won't be blocking your way. And then once you're ready to use it, you can just simply just kind of swipe away like this here or tap on it to bring it out, okay? And then that'll give you access to that, okay? Now, of course, with all that said and done, you can always come back into the assistant menu settings to turn it off if you don't like it, or there you go. You can always come here and make changes to these settings here from tapping on the menu settings right there. And that'll take you back here, and then you can just disable it, turn it off, and you'll no longer have it. And that is that. Like and sub.